Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I bought some planter boxes for my garden, so I'm going to put them together and let you guys see what they look like. So thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoy the video.
This is guess I should have showed you. It's the Vita raised garden. You get two in the box. I haven't ripped it up, but that's what it looks like. And I showed you in my other video. I'm gonna put it over there.
Okay guys, I started to put these together, but the camera cut off because the heat was too hot for the camera. Outside it was very hot that day. So I'm going to show what I got on film, and then I will show you the final picture of it so you can see. But they were very, very easy to put together. You just snap them in and push them down, and that was pretty much it. That one piece I kept having a little issue with because I couldn't get it lined in there correctly because I'm kind of on a little slant on the heel, but they were very easy to put together. So, yeah.
Okay, this is May 20, I don't know, Sunday. I think it's 24th, 25th, but this is where we are now. We've grown up a lot. This one did come back to life. This is the Juliet Roma grape. This one is shooting up. It is the German Queen. This one is as well. And this is the Better Boy Hybrid. Now, hybrid means it's been grown for 50 years or more. Which, that's a heirloom. That is a hybrid. No, heirloom means it's been grown for 50 years or more. Not hybrid. But, and I think those are my marigolds that I got growing in there. Now that they're coming up with the leaves, that's what they look like. So I'll put those in there for help with bugs. And this got damaged from the storm. It was raining and the water beat it to death. But it survived. I don't have bug damage. That's all from the pouring storm we had last week. This is the zucchini, and it's a heirloom Black Beauty. That is my crookneck squash, and it's not doing as well. And I think because I have too many plants in there, it should be just one, but I didn't get them apart, so I just left all three of them in there. I think I'm gonna cut two of them off and just let the one that's vibrant right there, let it be the main one in this pot, and take the other two out because the pot is small and that's a big pot. It's not a pot, but container, and it has two in there, but I don't think that pot is big enough for just one, so I'm probably going to take one out. I need to put something on top of the soil so that it doesn't splash on the side of my house. I need some mulch. Okay, and this is the jalapeno pepper. It has grown up because it is now at the second level, and I need to take it out of that pot, honestly, because I don't think that's food grade, so I need to take it out. That is my basil that I put in there. Go to this side because I don't know what's in these pots. That's basil. Hasn't done nothing. That is eggplant, and that one's eggplant, and that one's plantain. That's the basil. That's my money tree. I brought it out and repotted it because it was root bound in a little teeny pot and I was dying. So we'll see if that stays alive. That is the seedlings I planted last weekend. Haven't done nothing. That's a mosquito plant. Here are my Roma lettuce. Everything else that was in this pot I planted in the garden box, the raised box. That is my sage. And it is doing fine. It don't look like it's getting, I don't know, I think it may be growing bigger. This is everything that I had left that didn't grow up. There's back row here. All of that is spinach. And this is all kale. None of it has done anything. I don't think. I think that's a grass clipping in there where the grass was cut yesterday. That is my rosemary. It's growing. And here I have broccoli. Did nothing. It came up one in this first one and then it died off. Probably overwatered it because these are the first ones I did back in April. So I thought they all was dead, but I just left them and I've been watering them. But as you can see, an eggplant came up there and an eggplant came up there. So I do have 2 eggplants. So once they get their real leaves, I'll pot them in the garden box, the raised bed. And green onions have done absolutely nothing. I've planted them in several places and they have yet to come up. No parsley, no cilantro, and I don't know what this is. I didn't put a tag on it, but I think it may be, it's a herb, I believe. So we'll see when it gets its release what it is. The mint is just going crazy. Nothing has come up in these boxes, and it's kale and spinach. That is various herbs. Nothing's come up there. I think I planted them too deep. And that is my poblano and pepper. And nothing there yet either. And this is what I planted yesterday. More basil, chives, and green onions. So of course you don't have anything there because I haven't planted it. Then I put spinach and green onions in this box. And then this is my spinach that planted in the cups. 2 came up, so I put them in there. And then I also, around it, I put a whole bunch of spinach seeds for them to grow, or just around it yesterday. And this is just in a little flower pot, because spinach don't like a whole lot of sun. They're a cool weather crop, as well as my collard greens. They are all cool weather. But I put them all in single pots by themselves. And I'm going to keep them on the patio and see how they do, so that they maybe won't get as hot. They like sun, but my patio gets sun, but it's not a lot because it's covered. So that's it for that. Hopefully it grows. So let's go out to flower bed. I call it a flower bed, but it's not. That is squash. I don't know if it's, I think that one is yellow squash. And I put it on a hill. It's composted up under it. Hope nothing comes and digs it up. And I think that one is the zucchini, but I could be wrong. I tried to put, because the big one on the other side over the compost is the zucchini. So I put the yellow squash over it and this one over that. You see, nothing else is in here because nothing else is ready. So as I get more seeds, I will put them in here. And over here, this is the cups that had the mesclun, which is all different kinds of green seeds, lettuce, and salad greens. So I don't know what any of this is. That looks like the kale, so it could be some type of kale. That looks like a lettuce. That looks like what the kale looked like, and that looks like some type of lettuce. I know that's a lettuce. And then that looks like some kind of greens. And that looks like a lettuce, but I don't know what any of it is. And then back here, I planted my, come in focus. Back there is 2 cucumbers, and then there is 2 green beans. And that is all that I have planted, and I planted them out yesterday, which I think was the 23rd. I think today's the 24th. It's Sunday. But that's everything that I have planted in my garden for this week. So I'm going to water it. It's already getting hot, so I need to turn the water on and water it. So anyway, that's it. That's everything on my porch. So. Alright, I am trying to put some wire down so that I can keep all of the rabbits and stuff out of my garden. So I gotta go this way. I started, got a hole there, put some rock in it, put some of these small bricks in, put some rocks, bring it down the side of the fence, and now I put some rock back there as well so that I can protect the flower beds. Everything is going. Cucumber, green beans, squash, lettuce. Still got to plant my carrots over there. I'm going to do that today. And thanks for watching. Bye.